The MIYAY Metal Detector MD2024 is an excellent choice for treasure hunting enthusiasts, offering a versatile tool for discovering hidden gems, whether you are a beginner or a seasoned adventurer. This metal detector is remarkably easy to use and can be assembled within 10 minutes, featuring an adjustable stem and lightweight design that ensures comfort for users of all ages. With 5 specialized modes, including ALL METAL and PINPOINTER, it allows users to focus on valuable targets while minimizing distractions from unwanted items. The 10-inch IP68 waterproof search coil enables exploration in various terrains, such as beaches and rivers, providing improved accuracy and a larger detection area. Its intuitive LCD display with customizable sensitivity settings enhances usability, allowing for treasure hunting even in low-light conditions. Complete with accessories like a steel shovel and noise-canceling headphones, this metal detector is a perfect gift for adventure seekers looking to explore the outdoors.